Rub oil with both hands from heel to the end of thigh to caress the treatment area 3 times. Alternately push the entire leg from button to top and wrap back to the heel 3 times. Move hands upwards to form meridians, then to the end of thigh. From spleen meridian, stomach meridian, liver meridian to gallbladder meridian 3 times. Push 4 meridians upwards with kneeling fingers to both hands 3 times. Vacuum and RF operation. Lift the probe towards knee while tracing 4 meridians 3 times. Start from thigh if there's not enough unwanted fat on calf. Move the probe on 2 sides of the calf in annular motions 3 times. Start from thigh if there's not enough unwanted fat on calf. Lift the probe from knee to the end of thigh in lines 3 times. Move the probe in small circles on thigh 3 times. Coupled with hand, lift from 2 sides of the leg to the middle 3 times. Lift the probe from knee to the end of thigh in annular motions 3 times.